Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we have another episode of A Day in the Life. We're using Letgo. We're trying to upgrade our equipment, make a little cash through the winter, and ensure that we're ready to go for next season. One of my guys says that he has a nice, like a 30-inch John Deere walk behind with a bag. I just checked it out while I was over at his house. We were hanging out today. We're gonna see if this mower pans out for us because we're trying to get out of push mowing because it's time consuming, extra cost, slower rate, extra tool, you know? It's just sometimes you feel like I'd rather have a 36 and a 48 and have no push mower involved. So that's the goal for this season. Hopefully we can pull it off. So I made the sale of my push mower on Letgo. I'm back now. And I didn't get exactly what I wanted for it, but got some money. And in all reality, I settled for what they offered because they had to travel and they were willing to come pick it up. I only had to meet them a couple minutes away from my home. That's how I deal with everything on Letgo. Obviously, for your own safety, you always want to meet people in a public place so that, you know, other people can maybe see, you know, what you're doing. You know, if something were to go wrong, public places, we've all heard the stories about Craigslist killers and things of that nature, so you just have to look out for yourself. And a lot of people on Letgo, they always try to send me their phone number, and I always deny them sending the phone number. Even if they send it to me and say, please text, I just tell them, no, for my safety and for your safety, I will only communicate about the items I have posted on Letgo through the Letgo Messenger. And it's always seemed to work out. People understand, and if they're not understanding, then I'm not going to make the sale to them. So, long story short, just a little back end about Letgo. I have a couple other videos on Letgo that you can check out. So I was able to free up some space, sell the mower, and really try to prepare for spring because now one of my push mowers is gone and I'm going to try to beef up my equipment set. So like I mentioned earlier, whether that's getting a 36 or just figuring out some other way to become a little more commercialized through my equipment set. Alright guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. Now I'm getting distracted by my cat. So, anyways, please check out Letgo. Maybe use Letgo for your lawn care business if you want to update equipment or even buy equipment. There are many people on there that sell their old commercial equipment. This is a disclaimer or a preface. I'm considering it. I might not, but I might sell my 48 Skag V1, and I'm really looking into Gravely units. So anyways, guys, drop a comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll see you on the next one.